Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into one of the most anticipated hypercars of the decade, the 2026 Ferrari F80. This car is not just another Ferrari, it's a statement of where the brand is heading in terms of design, performance, and technology. Ferrari has always been at the forefront of creating cars that make your heart race even before you turn the ignition. And the F80 is no exception. From its aggressive styling to the innovation under the hood, this machine is built to shock the world. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Ferrari F80 is pure futuristic beauty. It has an aerodynamic shape that looks like it was sculpted by the wind itself. Every line has a purpose. Every curve is designed to reduce drag and maximize downforce. The car sits low with a sharp, menacing stance, featuring a wide front grille that channels airflow perfectly. The LED headlights are razor-thin, giving it a predator-like face, while the sculpted sides and massive air intakes hint at the monstrous power hidden inside. At the rear, the car flaunts a large active spoiler and quad exhaust tips that scream performance. The carbon fiber body not only makes it lighter, but also gives it that exotic hypercar vibe. Moving inside, the Ferrari F80 is just as breathtaking. The interior is designed around the driver, with a cockpit that feels like stepping into a fighter jet. Ferrari has gone with a minimalist yet futuristic approach, using lightweight carbon fiber, Alcantara, and fine Italian leather. The steering wheel is packed with integrated controls, including the signature Manettino dial that lets you switch driving modes instantly. Behind the wheel sits a fully digital instrument cluster, customizable to show performance data, navigation, or track telemetry. The bucket seats are sculpted to provide maximum support at high speeds but still offer enough comfort for long drives. The center console is clean and futuristic, with touch-sensitive controls and a floating infotainment screen that feels like something out of science fiction. Now let's talk about performance, because that's where the Ferrari F80 really shines. Under the hood, Ferrari has introduced a twin-turbo V8 hybrid powertrain that delivers insane levels of power. Reports suggest it produces over 1,200 horsepower, combining raw combustion power with electric boost for instant torque. This allows the F80 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.2 seconds, making it one of the fastest cars on the planet. The top speed is expected to be over 250 miles per hour, which firmly places it in hypercar territory. Ferrari has equipped it with advanced aerodynamics, adaptive suspension, and an intelligent all-wheel drive system, ensuring that the car grips the road like it's glued to it. Whether on the track or highway, the F80 is engineered to deliver an adrenaline rush every single time. As for the price, the 2026 Ferrari F80 is expected to start around $2.5 to $3 million, depending on customization. This makes it one of the most expensive Ferraris ever built, but considering the performance, design, and exclusivity, it's clear that Ferrari is targeting only the most passionate and wealthy enthusiasts. Production numbers will be limited, ensuring that the F80 remains a rare and desirable collector's item. So the 2026 Ferrari F80 is more than just a car. It's a glimpse into the future of hypercars. With its aggressive exterior, futuristic interior, mind-blowing performance, and sky-high price tag, it represents everything Ferrari stands for: speed, innovation, and exclusivity. If you're a car lover, this is one machine that deserves all the attention it's getting.